Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we've taken our time, we're headed to the Geelong Outdoor Living Show. We're here at the Geelong Showgrounds. Let's go and have a look.
Definitely.
Straight up we have the Apollo stand, and we can see the Windsor Otway straight away. Let's go and see what Windsor and Apollo have to offer. And there's a Daintree. Let's look inside the Otway.
So what I don't mind it. It's quite, I mean, it's compact, but I think it's the other two seats there as well.
Coffee behind. Oh, okay. So you don't get a chopping board per se, you get a piece of laminate bench.
I don't mind it.
So we're noticing that there's a huge trend to off-road or four-wheel drive caravans now, and it looks to be that 90% of the RVs that are here are caravans. We're going to try and stick to the motorhomes, but let's keep looking. So the RM19, also the RM19 on the Fiat. Then you have the Optimum and the All-Terrain. Now she's a beast. Now this doesn't have the, this has the two single beds. So this is what you can get for the same money as the Daintree. Much better awning. Yeah, the electric bed comes down, you keep the dinette. So just think, you get all of this for the same price as a Daintree. It's still front wheel drive.
A woman's been injured after being dragged alongside
Oh, husband.
incidents late Saturday Arvo. They believe it happened after a confrontation with the driver on the black Porsche and then taken.
It's interesting, for the same price as our Windsor Daintree currently is, you can get a Conquest like this.
Represents a terrible miscarriage of justice.
And it's much longer,
Songwriter, guitarist,
bigger.
this afternoon celebrated local.
Still have a soft spot for the four-wheel drive. Okay, you can also get an MS-24 for the same money.
All you have to do is take the table off and remove the thingies, and then you lower it down.
Same layout. But you're on the Mercedes chassis. Interesting. So, two great choices from Jayco for the same price currently as the Daintree. While we're looking at vans, check out the 19 one. It's light and bright, but where would the boys go? So I think they call these toy haulers or something, because you have the ability to bring the ramp down, push the beds up, and you can have it as a garage. The work and play. Okay, so you have double bed at the front, toilet, fridge, and then obviously all that bunks which can become a garage. Interesting. It's an interesting prospect. We looked at, I don't know if it was this model, but we did look at the Havana originally. We didn't like it because they had that bed.
Oh, see, I don't like that now. Cut it out.
It's a lot of storage.
A lot of storage.
Got an oven.
You got
Pantry.
Yeah.
And another pantry.
Yeah. I actually don't mind it. I actually don't mind the layout. Got an extra two. Got an extra bed up here.
The ladder goes in here.
Yeah.
And the seats swivel.
So it's got a permanent bed.
So it's got a permanent bed that's down.
Oh, it's one of those.
Over the top.
No, it's
Oh, okay. So it's a swivelly job.
yeah.
So if you shut that, that's quite a tight space to actually stand in once it's
Yeah.
swiveled. But at least your toilet's not going to get wet. So the TV store's
That's it.
flat up there. Fire extinguishers up there. There's definitely a lot of cupboards.
Yeah.
Don't know, do you think it's more space efficient? You do enter. It's simple.
Yeah. See, I don't mind that setup. That's better. So you've got a shower. Separate shower.
And the oven's still here, but at least in the other one, the oven nearly hit the fridge because like this, it's been shifted this way.
Bed.
Bed. That's pretty cool. The fact that it can be folded away, so you're not going to crack your head on it
Yeah.
as you're going under.
That's pretty good.
And seat belts.
Yeah.
Yep. So seat belts there. So four seat belts, room for 4 people to sleep. Hiding seat belts.
You know what?
See, so the slats through there show
Yeah.
the storage area, but you do have a ledge down there. You got little ledges here,
I like it.
built-in wireless LAN,
Yeah.
microwave. blinds are included. So they're just the bed folds down. Very tempting. I think Wayne's impressed. Are you impressed, honey?
Very impressed.
So this is 10 grand cheaper currently than the Daintree. It's only half a metre longer, but look at all this storage, look at all this space, the ability to take extra people, and all the inclusions. I don't know, guys, what do you think? Let us know.
Yeah. And it looks like you can access it from in there too.
Yeah. Go down the other side.
You get all that because that's the triangles.
It comes out.
So guys, we've managed to locate Jayco and Windsor and Avan for motorhomes. Not sure if there's many other motorhome makers here. We'll see if we just look at a few caravans and some accessories. Well, this is definitely a lifestyle advantage, isn't it? Do you want one of these? That's major. So you got a quad bike and a boat on the back of this Raptor. I like the kitchen sink. Well, it shows you what they can do these days, doesn't it? In a sea of black and grey all-road caravans, you get some thrill seekers. Oh, there's a yellow one. Something different. Splash of blue. At the moment, it looks like we're wading ourselves through a sea of dark grey charcoal and checkerboard metal. Such is the life of the new trend of four-wheel drive caravans, or off-road caravans. Somehow Ollie and Oscar don't think would approve. They never use it. They're too busy sleeping in the motorhome. But I have to admit, it's a great idea. Boats. Have to remember it's actually the Outdoor Living Show, so of course there's going to be boats here. Well, that's different. It's very different. Combining tents with a caravan. Get a full kitchen. Slide out. Ooh, shower. Bed. Storage. Living area. Hey guys, so that was the 2023 Geelong Outdoor Living Show. We've enjoyed a couple of hours walking around here.
Yeah.
We've condensed it into a short video just for you, heavily accented towards the motorhomes. Couple of curious caravans there, wasn't there?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it, and we'll see you out on the road.
Definitely. See you guys.
Bye.